Here we have the case problem number 3 with the data file loan, which we saved as loan grid. And basically we were figuring out loan calculations using formulas to find out how much a monthly payment is for different amounts of loans. So this is the principal amount over here in the in the C column, which you can see changes by $10,000 in each increment, which we did by clicking and dragging the autofill. You just do the first two, 250, 260, and then it understands that you want to go up by 10, and you drag the autofill right down that column. It fills it in. Then we did the number of years to repay the loan, between 15 and 35. Also used autofill to do that. You just have to do the first and second ones, and then when you click and drag that corner, it understands that you want to fill in by 5-year increments the year. So to figure out the monthly payment amounts in this first cell here, we had to do a formula. Under the financial formulas menu, you select payment, put a negative in front of that PMT. That means that your numbers are going to appear as positives. If you leave it as is, it'll put parentheses around it, or leave it as a negative because it considers it a payment, a debit. And then you needed the absolute value of the amount in E5 and E6, which were these, which are the interest rate and the number of payments per year. Then you needed the variable reference. This is a changing reference, obviously, because each cell it changes, of the amount of money divided by the number of years. So that's this mixed reference, $C10 divided by D$9, that allows you to create the monthly payment amounts. Then we did conditional formatting here to show less than the maximum affordable monthly payment, which in the end we changed to $1,800, started at $1,750. And the cells that are greater than 1,800 or less than 1,800 show up in these ways. The green, of course, you'd want to create a reference down here with the color to let you know that that means, less than the maximum affordable, and that red means more than the maximum affordable. So the final question was, is there a loan amount that can be repaid within 20 years that is under the maximum or equal to the maximum affordable monthly payment? And the answer is yes. There's several. There's between $250,000 and $300,000 loans can be repaid in 20 years for less than the $1,800 affordable monthly amount. I had a little trouble with the formula until I remembered my relative reference and absolute reference correct way to input them. I had just put E5 and E6, and of course that made the cell think that it wanted to be whatever that is, 5 cells up, 2 cells over, and it did that for all those, and I was totally baffled. Then I remembered I had to do $E, $5, $E, $6 to say that each of these cells wants to reference these amounts here in the calculation, which is the annual interest rate and the number of times per year that you're making a payment. So learned a lot in this worksheet, and that's it.